Hey guys, if you own a Mac and you are wondering whether you actually need a VPN, here is the short answer. Your Mac is secure against viruses, sure, but that does nothing to stop your internet provider, advertisers, and even streaming sites from tracking what you do online, especially on public Wi-Fi. A VPN fixes that because it is not about protecting the device, it is about protecting you, the user. It encrypts your connection so no one can see which sites you visit. It lets you get around geo-blocks, and it filters out phishing links. I have tested the 3 best VPNs for Mac, and the links with my exclusive deals on all 3 are in the description, so let me break them down. One quick, honest note before the picks. On Mac, these apps are excellent, but the one feature that tends to be limited compared to Windows is split tunneling, because of how Apple sandboxes apps. For most people, that is not a deal breaker at all, and I will show you the easy workarounds as we go. Everything else you actually want is here and works beautifully on macOS. My number 1 pick is Surfshark, and it is the best choice for most Mac users. The biggest reason is value. One single subscription covers unlimited devices, so your MacBook, your iMac, your iPhone, your iPad, and even your Apple TV are all protected on one account, and you can share it with family at no extra cost. The Mac app itself is clean, native, and genuinely beginner-friendly, so connecting is one click and adding a server to your favorites is just as quick. On speed, it is right near the top, just a hair behind Nord, so streaming and video calls stay smooth. Security-wise, you get the same strong encryption, RAM-only servers, an independently audited no-logs policy, and a reliable kill switch, plus its clean web ad and tracker blocker, and a multi-hop option for extra privacy. And if you want everything in one app, the Surfshark One plan adds a full antivirus and breach alerts for your Mac. To get it at the lowest price, use my Surfshark link in the description, where the discount and the code YTSTACK apply for you automatically, which adds 4 extra months free on top, all with a 30-day money-back guarantee. My number 2 pick is NordVPN, and this is the one to grab if speed and features are your priority. Nord is consistently the fastest VPN out there thanks to its NordLynx protocol, so it is a streaming and downloading champ on Mac. The macOS app is beautifully native too. It runs perfectly on Apple Silicon. It supports dark mode, and you can sign in with Touch ID instead of a password. Its standout feature is threat protection, which blocks ads, trackers, malicious sites, and even phishing scams in your emails. One honest heads up for Mac, the full version of threat protection is not in the sandboxed App Store app. So to get it, you will want to download Nord straight from the website, which you can do through my link in the description, where the best coupon is already applied. You also get a huge global server network for unblocking libraries worldwide, up to 10 devices at once, and the rock-solid privacy of a Panama base with audited no logs. Same deal here, the discount and the code YTSTACK apply automatically for 4 extra months free, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. My number 3 pick is Proton VPN, and this is the one for you if privacy is your absolute top priority, or if you want a genuinely good free option. Proton is based in Switzerland, one of the strongest privacy jurisdictions in the world. Its apps are fully open source, its no-logs policy is audited, and most of the company is owned by a non-profit foundation, so its whole reason to exist is protecting users. On the paid plan, you get a massive network of over 15,000 servers, plus standout privacy features like Secure Core, which routes you through hardened servers, the stealth protocol to disguise your traffic, and the NetShield ad blocker. Proton also has the best free tier of any VPN for Mac. And, unlike most free VPNs, it does not sell your data, so it is great for basic security. Just be honest with yourself about the limits. The free version only works on one device. You cannot choose your server location, and you cannot torrent. For the full experience, grab the paid plan through my Proton link in the description for the biggest current discount, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, to recap, my number 1 is Surfshark for the best value, unlimited Apple devices, and an easy, clean app. My number 2 is NordVPN if you want the fastest speeds and the most features. And my number 3 is Proton VPN if privacy comes first, or you want a solid free option to start with. All 3 links with my best deals are in the description. The Surfshark and Nord discounts include the code YTSTACK for 4 free months. And everyone comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them risk-free. So which one are you going with? Let me know in the comments, drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.